what is the chi-square test for independence of attributes, goodness of fit, and chi-square test with equal and unequal frequencies? Now let us see the problems on chi-square test for independence of attributes. So 1000 students at college level were graded according to their IQ and the economic conditions of their home. Use the chi-square to find out whether there is any association between condition at home and their IQ. So use alpha equal to 0.05, that means the level of significance is 5%, and the chi-square tabulated value for 1 degree is here 3.841. Now if you see the table here, the IQ is classified into two classes as high and low, and the economic conditions of their home are classified as rich and poor. So here those who are rich and having high IQ are 460, those who are rich and having low IQ is 140, and those who are economically poor are having a high IQ as 240, and even the economic conditions are poor and they are having the low IQ is here 160. Now for this we have to test whether there is any association between their economic conditions and their IQ here. So first we have to frame the null and alternative hypothesis. So the null hypothesis is given as there is the association between their economic conditions and their IQ. So here I am writing between as like this, between economic conditions and their IQ. Now against H1 it is always true and only. So this chi-square test for attributes or the goodness of fit, whatever the chi-square tests are there, right? Regarding the qualitative data, the alternative hypothesis is always true and only. So against H1 there is no association. There is no association between economic conditions and their IQ. Now under H0, the test statistic is given as here chi-square equal to double summation OIJ minus EIJ whole square by EIJ follows a chi-square with R minus 1 into S minus 1 degrees. So here R represents the number of rows and S represents the number of columns. So as per our given problem here, R is here number of rows means 2 rows and the number of columns are also 2 columns. So we can write here R equal to S equal to 2. Now let us consider this tabular form. So with this tabular form only we have to obtain the EIJ values. EIJ are known as the expected frequency which are given by the formula AI into BJ by capital N here. Okay. So let us consider the tabular form for this. Now the tabular form is here. We have to find the total of the rich here. So 460 plus 140 is here 600. And 240 plus 160 total pool are here 400. Now similarly we have to find the total for high IQ also. So that is here 460 plus 240 is 700 and 140 plus 160 is here 300. Now the total frequency is denoted by capital N. So the sum of the rows and the sum of the columns must be equal. So 600 plus 400 is 1000. And 700 plus 300 is also 1000 here. So the total frequency is here 1000. Okay. Now using this total frequency we have to obtain the expected frequencies. So here this is the first row, first column. So E11 equal to A1 into B1 by capital N here. So 600 is known as A1. And this 400 is known as A2. Similarly, 700 is B1 and 300 is here B2 here. So A1 into B1 means here 600 into 700 by 1000. So 600 into 700 by 1000 is nothing but here 420. Okay. Then E12. Row wise 1 1 1 2 2 1 2 2 like that we have to come just like the matrix form here. So AI into Bj, that means A1 into B2 by capital N here. A1 means again 600 into B2 means 300 by 1000. So this is here 180. Okay, then next. This is here 21. So E21 equal to A2 into B1. Eij, AI into Bj by capital N. So A2 means here 400, B1 means here 700. So 400 into 700 by 1000. So this is equal to 280. Okay. The next one is here 22. 22 means here E22 AI into Bj means A2 into B2 by capital N. So A2 into B2 means 400 into 300 by 1000. So this is equal to here 120. Now we have to make a tabular form of the observed frequencies, expected frequencies here. So let us consider that Oij, then Eij, then the test statistic is here Oij minus Eij whole square by Eij. So so that when I am considering the formula directly here. So Oij means here O11 that is 460, O12 is 140. So 460, 140. Similarly O21 means 240, O22 means 160. So 240 and 160. Now for the corresponding O11 the expected frequency is here 420. Next for the corresponding O12, the expected frequency is here 180. Then for the corresponding O21, the expected frequency is 280. And for the corresponding O22, the expected frequency is 120. Okay. Now Oij minus Eij whole square by Eij we have to calculate. So that means 460 minus 420 whole square by 420. So to calculate this in the calculator we can use one equation here. So we have to consider Oij as x. Consider Oij as x and Eij as y. Then in the calc, give the equation as x minus y whole square divided by y. And if you press calc here, it will ask the x value, give the value 460. Right? Again press equal to, it will ask y value, then give the value 420. Again press equal to, you will get your answer here. So here, open the bracket. For x, we have to use alpha closed bracket. Then minus symbol. For y, we have to use alpha comma key. Then close the bracket, press square symbol, divided by again alpha comma key for y. Now press calc, it is asking x value, give the value here 460, press equal to, it is asking y value, give the value 420, press equal to, you are getting the answer. But after decimal, definitely you have to maintain 4 digits. So press the mode key for 5 times. It is asking fix. Press 1. Now after decimal, how many digits do you want? It is asking. So it is 4. So it is 3.8095. Now again press calc. In between, if you press any other number, the equation will go off here. So just only you have to use calc, then the number equal to, that's it. Now again press calc. It is asking x value. Give the value here 140. Press equal to, it is asking y value, it is here 180. Press equal to, the answer is here 8.8889. Okay, next. Again press calc, it is asking x value, give the value 240. Press equal to, it is asking y value, that is 280. Press equal to, it is 5.7143. Now again press calci. It is asking x value, give the value 160 equal to y value 120 equal to it is 13.3333. Okay. So now we have to add all these four values here. So 13.3333 plus 5.7143 plus 8.8889 plus 3.8095. So it is here 31.746. So chi-square calculated value is equal to 31.746. Now chi-square tabulated at 2 minus 1 comma 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 here. R minus 1 into S minus 1 for 5% level of significance. Now here no need to mention about the alternative because here alternative is always two-tailed only. So for 5% level of significance, the tabulated value is here 3.841. So that means chi-square calculated is greater than chi-square tabulated. So therefore H0 is rejected. H0 is rejected means here there is no association between the economic conditions at their home and their IQ. So the conclusion is here there is no association between the economic conditions at their home and their IQ. So since here chi-square calculated is greater than chi-square tabulated. So in this manner you have to solve the chi-square test for independence of attribute. So these are the calci operations here. Okay, so if you use this, it will be easy for you and moreover it will save the time also. Now let us see the second problem. From the following data, find whether there is any significant liking in the habit of taking soft drinks among the categories of employees. So use alpha equal to 0.01. Now here we have to use the level of significance at 1%. And the chi-square tabulated value for 4 degrees is here 13.277. Now if you see the null hypothesis, there is a significant liking in the habit of taking soft drinks among the categories of employees. There is a significant liking in the habit of taking soft drinks among the categories of employees. Then again is H1, there is no significant liking. Okay, so similarly you will get here. Now under H0, the test statistic is given as chi-square equal to double summation Oij minus Eij whole square by Eij, where I equal to 1 to R and J equal to 1 to S. So this follows a chi-square with R minus 1 into S minus 1. So here R means number of rows. We have 3 rows because the soft drinks are classified into Pepsi, Thumbs Up and Fanta. Similarly, the categories of employees are classified into clerks, teachers and officers. So SC is also equal to 3 here. Now we have to obtain the expected frequency by using the formula AI into Bj by capital N, where N is nothing but the total frequency. Now let us see the calculations for the tabulated form. Now here 10 plus 25 plus 65 is 100. 15 plus 30 plus 65 is 110. 50 plus 60 plus 30 is here 140. Similarly, see the columns total. 10 plus 15 plus 50 is here 75. 25 plus 30 plus 60 is here 115. Then 65 plus 65 plus 30 is here 160. So the total frequency is 100 plus 110 plus 140 is 350. Similarly, the columns also 75 plus 115 plus 160 is 350 here. Now let us see the calculations for expected frequencies. So E11 equal to A1 into B1 by total frequency, that is 100 into 75 by 350. So this is here 21.4286. Similarly, E12 means for this one 100 into 115 by 350. So this is equal to 32.8571. Next, E13 means 100 into 160 by 350 is equal to 45.7143. Next, E21 is equal to 110 into 75 by 350. So this is equal to 23.5714. Next, E22 is equal to 110 into 115 by 350. That is 6.1429. Next, E23 means 110 into 160 by 350. So this is 50.2857. Okay. Then next we have to find E31. So A3 into B1 means 140 into 75 by 350. So that is equal to 140 into 75 by 350. 30. Next, E32 is equal to 140 into 115 by 350. So this is equal to 46. Next, E33 is equal to here 140 into 160 by 340. 140 into 160 by 350 is equal to 64. Now we have obtained all the expected frequencies. The next step is we have to make a tabular form of OIJ, EIJ and OIJ minus EIJ whole square by EIJ here. So let us make the tabular form. Now these are the observed and expected frequencies here. Now for this we have to calculate OIJ minus EIJ whole square by EIJ. So for that we have to use the calculator as x minus y whole square divided by y, where here x is nothing but the observed frequencies and y is nothing but the expected frequencies. Now let us use the calc here. So again for x, alpha closed bracket minus alpha comma key press square divided by then y. Okay, now press calc. It is asking x value, give the value 10, y value 21.4286. So this is here 6.0953. Next, x value again press Cal C, x value 25, y value 32.8571. So this is 1.8789. Then again press Cal C, 65 and 45.7143. It is 8.1361. Then again press Cal C, 15. Then 23.5714. So it is here 3.1169. Then again press Cal C, 30. Then 36.1429. So 1.0441. Then again press Cal C, 65. Then 50.2857y. So it is 4.3056. Now press Cal C, 50, y 30, 13.3333. Now again press Cal C, 60. Then y is 46, 4.2609. Then x value 30, y value 64. It is here 18.0625. So this is the tabular form for the calculated value. Okay. Now we have to find the summation of all these values here. So 6.0953 plus 1.8789 plus 8.1361 plus 3.1169 plus 1.0441 plus 4.3056 plus 13.3333 plus 4.2609. So this is equal to 60.2336. So this is our chi-square calculated value. Now we have to obtain the chi-square tabulated at 3 minus 1 into 3 minus 1 is equal to here 2 into 2 is 4. So chi-square 4 at 1% level of significance is equal to here 13.277. So chi-square calculated is greater than chi-square tabulated. So that means here H0 is rejected. So here there is no significant liking in the habit of taking soft drinks among the categories of employees. That is the conclusion for this problem. So with this we have completed the chi-square test for independence of attributes. Now let us start the problems on chi-square test with equal frequencies.